Hey there! In this video, I'm going to show you how to install extensions for Chrome. Easy. Let's begin. So once you open up your Google Chrome, head over to the top right and you're going to see these three dots. And this is going to open up the menu. Move your cursor to somewhere in the middle and you'll see something which says extensions. Select Visit Chrome Web Store. This is where you're going to find all the extensions that you need. So if you want to search for a specific extension, you go to the top bar here, click on the search bar, and then type in your extension name. I'm going to be using Google Drive. Then on the right side, click Add to Chrome. It's going to say that it can read and change all your data on our websites. Display notifications, select Add Extension. Then it's going to give you a little notification at the top saying that specific extension has been added to your Chrome. So since I installed this specific extension, if I right-click on any image, I can simply select Save Image to Google Drive, and it's that easy. And if you want to manage your extensions, you'll go to the top right again, and then you're going to see this little puzzle icon. You're going to select it, then it's going to show you all the available extensions that you have in your Chrome browser. And if you want to disable it, head over to the bottom and choose Manage Extensions. So now in order to disable it, go to the bottom right of any of these extensions, and then you're going to see this little toggle option. If you want to disable it, simply just click on it, and it'll be disabled. And it's that simple.